Welcome back to Vintage King Motorsports. We're taking a look today at a vintage running Homelite C-7 chainsaw. Great saw for parts, restoration, or hang on the shelf in your man cave. This is a very nice vintage Homelite C-7. It does not include the bar or a chain. It is in pretty decent shape all in all. Has great compression, fires right off with no issues as you just saw. A great start to a restoration, or throw a couple little parts on it and run it in the backyard of the camp. Be sure to click on the link below for more pictures and details on how to buy this saw right now. You won't be sorry. These C-7s running don't come up that often, and when they do, we all know they're expensive. Remember, when quality and price matter most, it's gotta be Vintage King Motorsports all the way.